Join us as we venture into the heart of Mars's awakening, where every discovery brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of our neighboring planet and paving the way for humanity's next great adventure. In this video, we will explore the groundbreaking nature of the discovery made by NASA's Mars rover and discuss Mars as a mysterious and captivating planet enticing humanity with its unknown secrets and beckoning exploration. Scientists used to consider Mars a geologically dead planet. It's smaller than Earth and loses internal heat faster. In the past, there was a lot of activity in its depths, and there are many traces of huge volcano eruptions on its surface. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus, can be seen from Earth even with an amateur telescope. But volcano eruptions on Mars stopped a long time ago. The planet's interior cooled and solidified. The internal cooling weakened its magnetic field. The solar wind blew away the atmosphere, and the remaining water froze. But recently, Mars has become more active. Everything changed when astronomers studied thousands of images of the Martian equatorial region. The images were taken between 2006 and 2020 by the NASA Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. The HiRISE camera took the images at an altitude of 300 km above the Martian surface. The images allow us to distinguish individual objects with the size of up to 1 meter. The study revealed a large number of landslides and debris flows on the slopes of the Martian volcanoes. Scientists have discovered more than 4,500 traces of rocks that have left characteristic patterns in the shape of a Christmas tree, which usually happens after a strong earthquake. The longest trace is more than 2.4 km long, and in total, these traces are around 900 km long. About a third of the traces weren't present on images before 2006, indicating that they formed later. It's clear that only very powerful underground tremors are capable of moving these huge boulders. However, until recently, such tremors weren't found on Mars. What helped scientists find out that Mars woke up? How did the recent samples taken from one crater almost come to life? And why will one of the most harmful gases on Earth be so crucial for Martian colonists? The scariest part is that the rover has solid proof of the strange thing it captured in pictures during one of its missions. What did it find, and could this scary discovery be in any way related to the strange stone circles similar to Earth's Stonehenge that were found on Mars? Join us as we explore why NASA suddenly shut down the Mars rover and what else they found besides the recent discovery on Mars. There's a special robot from Earth called NASA's Perseverance rover. This rover is part of a major project by NASA named Mars 2020. It is also the reason that NASA found something that made them shut it down. Perseverance was launched into space on July 30th, 2020. Mars is a planet that is believed to have had water and been habitable a long time ago. So the rover was created to confirm this is true. The rover landed in a place called Jezero Crater on February 18th, 2021. This spot used to be a lake billions of years ago, making it a great place to search for clues about past life. The mission of this rover is one of NASA's top priorities. The rover studying the rocks and weather on Mars, helping us learn more about the planet and getting us ready to send humans there one day. Stay tuned for a revelation that will leave you breathless. As we delve deeper into the enigmatic terrain of Mars, brace yourself for a discovery so profound it has compelled NASA to halt the Mars rover mission. Recently, there's been speculation that NASA might stop the Mars mission due to the rover discovering something unexpected or confidential, that the parachute has deployed and we are seeing significant deceleration. In the velocity, our current velocity is 480 meters per second at an altitude of about 12 kilometers from the surface of Mars. This discovery could reveal information. It wasn't intended for public knowledge, there's more to it. But first, let's get into the mysteries of the ancient stone circles and what they've got to do with the whole Mars saga. Stonehenge and similar ancient stone circles have always fascinated us. These towering towering stone structures silently beckon us to ponder the past for centuries. Curious minds from scientists, regular people have thought about their mysteries. Questions like, how were these massive stones moved and arranged? Why were they built? Can they provide information about the people who created them long ago? What do you think? Stonehenge in particular is quite interesting. Its massive stones arranged in a circle make it a symbol of ancient mysteries. People from around the globe visit it, often making us wonder how life in ancient times was. Over the years, many theories have emerged. Some believe Stonehenge was the site for religious rituals or ceremonies. Some people think Stonehenge might have been a really old calendar making the seasons or tracking the sun and moon. But no one is sure why or how it got built. This mystery makes Stonehenge even more fascinating. Surprisingly, it seems, Stonehenge isn't the only place with those strange stone setups. Scientists have found something similar on Mars called the Mars Henge. This discovery has caught the attention of both scientists and space fans. Using high-tech cameras on satellites orbiting Mars, scientists spotted several rocks arranged in a circle on a big hill. It looks a lot like the stone circles on Earth. Finding the Mars Henge gives us more to think about when it comes to understanding Mars. Mars is a tough place with a rough environment and not much going on, so finding something like this is pretty shocking. It adds to the mystery of whether there could have been life on Mars at some point. This circle of stones found on Mars, along with other pyramid-like structures seen before, makes us wonder about Mars' past. Could they be what's left of an old Martian society? Thinking that Mars might have once had smart beings, even if they're gone now, makes space exploration even more thrilling. Finding these structures suggests that there might have been life on Mars. At some point, this leaves some more questions about what this life was, like what it could do and what happened to it. Scientists want to find more clues to solve these mysteries. What will we discover about Mars and a chance for life in future trips? We'll have to wait and see as technology gets better and we learn more. We might be close to finding amazing things, from old rocks to exploring the stars. Let's check out life on the International Space Station in the endless darkness of space. What is life aboard the nighttime ISS? And how does nighttime in space relate to NASA's recent discovery? Just imagine living in a spot where you could see the sun come up and go down not once but 16 times within a day. That's the everyday life of astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Life in space, especially on the ISS, is totally different from what we're used to on Earth. So stay curious, dear viewers, for the journey of exploration is far from over. Who knows what other surprises await us in the cosmos? From distant galaxies to uncharted worlds, the universe beckons us to explore its depths and unlock the secrets that lie hidden within. As we embark on this journey of discovery, let us never lose sight of the wonder and awe that fills our hearts with each new revelation. For in the vast expanse of space, there are infinite possibilities waiting to be explored, and the adventure has only just begun. So, until we meet again, keep your eyes to the stars and your curiosity burning bright. For the universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and the journey of exploration is ours to embrace.